We're here in the Poconos for our hospitality exploration workshop. We're so excited to have the students coming to visit us. Camelback is our gracious host.
It's a pleasure. We look forward to having all the children here and really setting up our next generation of hospitality professionals.
We will be doing culinary and baking and pastry demos in the morning, and then in the afternoon doing some event planning and some networking. We're so excited to have the students come here and learn about the opportunities of the industry.
I'm just learning about the industry today. This is my first time really doing something like this, but I'm having a lot of fun.
So at first we got to talk with a couple chefs from here, and we got to talk to Orlando, some of the managers here, and you just got to learn a lot about Camelback. And it's like interesting because like we take trips down here a lot, skiing the water park, but it's like cool to see like the inside view of it.
Right now I work as a food runner and a hostess. So I like to learn more things that are in that field because I like it right now and I feel like I would like to carry on with it.
There's always like that fun thought that like maybe I could own a restaurant one day, or I could like pursue my college career in like a culinary program. There's just like a lot of opportunity.